Ventura and Los Angeles County mountains, excluding the Santa Monica Range. What? Winter storm warning through late Thursday with low elevation snow, strong winds, and very cold wind chills. For the blizzard warning, heavy snow with winds gusting up to 75 miles an hour and near zero visibility. By Saturday night, 2 to 5 feet of total snow accumulation is likely above 4,000 feet with isolated amounts near 7 feet at higher elevations. Accumulations of 6 to 12 inches likely between 4000 feet, including most major mountain passes. Where? Ventura County Mountains and Los Angeles County Mountains. When? For the winter storm warning, until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday. For the blizzard warning, from 4 a.m. Friday to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Very strong winds could cause extensive tree damage. Precautionary preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergency only. If you must travel, have a reliable kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions from Caltrans are available by calling 1-800